Hello there. My name is Davis Okewo. I am a proud Nigerian, a passionate entrepreneur, and also a nation builder. I want to talk to you about something that is very dear to my heart, and that is my favorite value of the 10 gemstone value. My favorite value is value number 2, which states that be a solution provider and not a part of the problem to be solved. As we all know, our nation Nigeria is faced with numerous challenges, but these challenges have been amplified by what I call our entitlement mentality as a people. Of course, we all know the challenges that we face, and most of us do complain about them instead of doing something about them. One thing we should understand is that a nation is a system, and like any other system, it requires input before it can deliver output. So before you start seeking for the output that Nigeria owes you, why don't you ask yourself, what input have I given to Nigeria? What value have I created for this nation? What am I asking you for today? Instead of complaining about the fact that there is no electricity, why don't you devote your resources into research on how to create sustainable energy? Instead of complaining about the fact that there is no food, why don't you just go into agriculture with the little resources that you have? Agriculture, by the way, is one of the industries that poses the lowest barrier to entry. Go into agriculture, create a means of livelihood for yourself, and then produce food for yourself and a couple of other people. Instead of complaining about the fact that there is unemployment in this nation, which is an obvious fact, why don't you channel your frustrations and your passion into creating entrepreneurial ventures and avenues by which you engage other people and create value for the society, thereby creating a means of livelihood for yourself? If we all as Nigerians took on this mentality and start thinking of the things that we can do for this nation, then I can tell you that our generation and the generation coming after us will not have to ask or seek before they can find those things that Nigeria as a nation should offer them. Where should you start from? Don't complain about the fact that you don't have money. Start from where you are. Start with the resources that you have. Everyone has got the greatest resource of all. We all have time. Use your time, add it to whatever resource that you have, create value, be a solution provider, and not a part of the problem to be solved. As you do so, may God help you. God bless you, and God bless Nigeria. Thank you very much.